Welcome, trendsetters and eco-warriors. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of sustainable shipping with the Made in Ship Plus, your passport to a greener, more stylish future. Say goodbye to disposable cups and hello to eco-friendly elegance. The Made in Ship Plus isn't just a drinkware accessory, it's a statement that sustainability and style go hand in hand. Before we dive into magic, let's take a moment to meet the team of game changers. Avenido Jetro, Baloyan Raymart, De Los Reyes Clarence, Guevero Raisi, Lanera Japet, Marcelino Kier, Mejia Michele Arwen, Nakulanga Reynar, Racal Shaira Joy, Reyes Adrian, Tadeo Limart James, and Tumandok Raymond. Imagine the chaos. You're on the go, trying to juggle your drink, your meds, and your phone. But oops, disaster strikes. The locking system fails, the cup lacks functionality, medication intake becomes a guessing game, and your phone wobbles precariously. And let's not even talk about the cleaning struggle. But fear not, our Made in Ship Plus is here to revolutionize your on-the-go experience and banish those worries once and for all.
Hello everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through the inspiration behind our innovative water container, drawing from the strengths and recognizing the areas for improvement in the original product, Aqua Flask. So here we have the reasons for choosing Aqua Flask as our base concept. We have here the pros. Now here we have the cons. Join us on our journey as we introduce our enhanced water container that not only retains the positives but also tackles the limitations head-on. And for the next part, let's delve into the evolution of our innovative tumbler/water container, exploring the key considerations that shaped our initial design. For number one, we have aesthetic appeal. We began by envisioning a tumbler that not only served its purpose but also appealed to the eye. The initial design focused on striking a balance between functionality and visual allure. For number two, we have ergonomic grip. Understanding the importance of comfort, we prioritized an ergonomic grip to ensure a pleasant and secure hold for users, making our product easy to handle. Number three, we have user-friendly cap design. Convenience is paramount. Our initial design incorporated a cap that not only sealed the container effectively, but was also intuitively designed for hassle-free use, enhancing the overall user experience. Number four, we have transparent section. Transparency fosters connection. We integrated a transparent section offering a visual cue to the liquid level inside of it, creating an engaging, practical element for our users. For number five, we have innovative opening mechanisms. Seeking to set ourselves apart, our initial design explored creative and efficient opening mechanisms, emphasizing both functionality and uniqueness. Now, let's fast forward to the exciting culmination of our design journey, the final design. Now, moving on to the next topic, we have final design highlights. In refining our product, we've embraced several enhancements based on user feedback and innovative thinking. For number one, we have a cell phone holder. Recognizing the need for multitasking convenience, our final design features a built-in cell phone holder, seamlessly integrating technology into the tumbler experience. For number two, we have medicine container, which is plastic, so health on the go. We've added a discreet medicine container made of plastic, catering to those who need to carry medication with them. For number three, we have cup boot. Taking durability to the next level, our final design introduces a cup boot, providing added protection and stability, and ensuring the longevity of the tumbler. For number four, we have magnetic closures with thread. Refined closure mechanisms matter. The inclusion of magnetic closures with thread not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures a secure seal, preventing any unwanted spills.
Embracing stainless steel as our material of choice was a conscious decision. Stainless steel encapsulates factors of durability, environmental impact, health consciousness, insulating properties, and cost effectiveness, ensuring that your experience exceeds expectations in every way possible. So there you have it, folks, the Med and Sip Flask, where sustainability meets style and functionality meets finesse. Join the movement towards a greener, trendier future one sip at a time. Cheers to a world where every choice you make is a step towards a brighter tomorrow.